Honorable the Deputy Speaker.
Honorable Chief Minister to present the annual financial statement for the year 2021-2022.
Speaker sir. Speaker sir, आयच्या बजेटाक सुरवात करता आसतना सर्वेपि सुखिना सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित दुःखमायु पुर्यात. पुराय जगाचे कल्याण मागपी सगळ्यांक बरी भलायकी मागपी अशा भारतीय संस्कृतीचे आमी वारसदार जावन आसात. एक लोकनियुक्त सरकार ह्या नात्यान आमची जापसालदारकी जावन आसा की जनतेची भलायकी बरी दवरप, ताका बरें जीवनमान दिवप, तशेंच ताच्या खातीर योग्य तेच निर्णय घेवप. हीच भावना मतींत दवरून गोंय राज्याचो मुखेलमंत्री ह्या नात्यान हांव सन 2021-22 ह्या वर्साचो अर्थसंकल्प जनते मुखार दवरता. इश्टानो, आमचे सुपुल्ले गोंय 450 वर्सां परस चड तेंप पोर्तुगीजांच्या जुलमी आनी अत्याचारी राजवटी खाली आशिल्लें. हो प्रदेश भारत देशाच्या उज्वल परंपरेचो अविभाज्य घटक आशिल्लो आनी म्हणूनच आमी भगवान परशुराम, छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज, कवी कृष्णदास श्यामा, कदंब राजवट हांची गौरवशाली दायज मोठ्या अभिमानान सांगपाक शकता. ह्या भूंयच्या मुक्ती खातीर दिपाजी राणेचो उठाव, कुंकळेचो उठाव, पिंटो उठाव, मोहन रानडे आनी सत्याग्रहाचो सशस्त्र उठाव, बाळाराया मापारीचे हौतात्म्य, अगणित सुटके झुंजारींनी केल्ले सत्याग्रह, राम मनोहर लोहिया, पंडित दीनदयाळ उपाध्याय, जगन्नाथराव जोशी हांची क्रांती चळवळ ह्या सगळ्यांक प्रेरणा, उर्बा आनी बळ दिला ते ह्या भारत देशाचे महान परंपरेन. गोंय सरकार मुक्तीची 60 वर्सां मनयता आनी केंद्र सरकार देशाच्या स्वातंत्र्याची 60 वर्सां पुराय जावपाच्या दिशेन कार्यावळी सुरू केल्यात. हो असो अभूतपूर्व योगायोग आमकां ह्या वर्सा अणभवपाक मेळटा हें आमचें भाग्य. देशाचे स्वातंत्र्य तसे गोंय मुक्ती चळवळीत ज्याने तन मन धन सर्वस्व अर्पण केलें अशा सगळ्या महान स्वतंत्र सेनानींक पवित्र स्मृतीक हांव अभिवादन करता. आमच्या भारत देशाच्या सीमेचे रक्षण करपी तशेंच अंतर्गत सुरक्षेचे कार्य तत्परतेन करपी आमचे सैन्य दल, पोलीस अग्निशामक दल, अर्धसैनिक दल हातूंतले आपले प्राण देशाक अर्पण केल्ल्या अशा समेस्त योद्ध्यांक हांव मनाकाळजांतल्यान आर्गां ओंपतां. तशेंच वैश्वीक महामारी कोविड-19 ह्या काळात अनन्यसाधारण सेवा दिवपी आरोग्य, प्रशासन, पोलीस, सफाई कर्मचारी, स्वयंसेवी जनता अशा समेस्त कोविड योद्ध्यांक हांव कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करता. सभापती महाशय, जॉन एफ केनेडी हाणें म्हळें की एज वी एक्सप्रेस अवर ग्रेटिट्यूड वी मस्ट नेवर फॉरगेट दॅट द हायेस्ट एप्रिसिएशन इज नॉट टू अटर द वर्ड्स बट टू लिव बाय देम. म्हणून हांवें स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय ही संकल्पना उक्ती आनी कृती हातूंतल्यान यथार्थ करपाचो निश्चय केला. आयज पयले फावट मुख्य सचिव धरून ते तलाटी पर्यंत गोंय सरकारचे जण एकलो अधिकारी नेमून दिल्ल्या गांवांत स्वता वचून जनतेच्या कल्याणा खातीर चलपी सरकारी योजना लोकां मेरेन व्हरता, तशीच त्याची गाराणी आयकून घेता आमचे स्वयंपूर्ण मित्र, आमचे कर्मयोगी, सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास ब्रीद घेवन काम करपी अंत्योदय तत्वाचेर ध्वजधारक जाल्यात अशें म्हटल्यार अतिताय जावची ना. गोंय राज्याच्या फुडाराची आंखणी करपाचो मोग दवरून हो अर्थसंकल्प तयार जाला हाची म्हाका खात्री आनी खोस आसा. सभापती महाशय, फाटलें बजेट जाल्या उपरांत कोविड महामारी जाली आनी ताज्या उपरांत त्या बजेट इम्प्लिमेंटेशनान कितलेशेच प्रॉब्लेम आयले हें तुमकांय खबर आसा. आनी पुराय हे फावटीचो बजेट करता आसतना पुराय सगळ्यांक विश्वासान घेवन माझे मंत्रिमंडळातले सगळे सहकारी आसतले, इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टरातले सगळे सहकारी आसतले, वेगवेगळ्यो एक्सरसाइज फायनान्शियल डिसिप्लीन हाडपा खातीर आनी वेगवेगळी लोन रिपेमेंट्स ह्यो सगळ्यो गजाली करता आसतना, रिव्हेन्यू लिकेजीस प्लग करता आसतना सगळ्या स्टेक होल्डरांक आनी सगळे HOD आसतले, IAS ऑफिसर, सेक्रेटरीज ह्या सगळ्यांक विश्वासान घेवन हे फावटीचो बजेट हो बऱ्या पद्दतीचो बजेट ह्या फावटी गोंय राज्याक दिवपाचो हांवें ठरयला. दिटीच्या दिशा खोला तेजाळताना कुणी जगले रे कुणी जगले, दिवे लागले रे दिवे लागले, तमाच्या तळाशी दिवे लागले. या उतराने आयच्या दिसा 2017 वर्सा सर्गेस्त मनोहरभाई पर्रीकर हांणी गोंय राज्याचो अर्थसंकल्पीय भाशणाची सुरवात केल्ली. अंत्योदय तत्वाचेर पुरस्कार करपी ह्याच विचारधारेचो दृढ विश्वास दवरपी एक विधायक ह्या नात्यान आयज तांच्या पवित्र यादीक आर्गां ओपून हांव जनतेचो अर्थसंकल्प सादर करपाक उबो रावला. फिस्कल डिसिप्लीन. सभापती महाशय, एक खूब प्रचलित संस्कृत सुभाषित आसा. अग्ने शोषम दृढम शोषम व्याधिम शोषम तथैवच पुन्हा पुन्हा प्रवेद्यत तस्मात् शोषम न कार्येत. अर्थात उजो, रीण आणि रोग हाचेर वेळारूच उपाय केलो ना जाल्यार वाडतूच रावता. आर्थीक नियोजन आणि सकारात्मक दृष्टिकोन हाची सांगड घालून म्हज्या सरकारान कंत्राटदाराक फारीक करपाची थकबाकी प्रश्नाचो सुटावो केलो. सांगपाक खोस भोगता की गोंय राज्य हे केंद्र सरकारान अधिकृत केल्ल्या RXIL प्लॅटफॉर्म मार्फत बिल डिस्काउंटिंग सिस्टीम चालीक लावपी देशांतले पयले राज्य जावन आसा. गोंय सरकार कसलोच अतिरिक्त व्याजाचो भार घेनासतना कंत्राटदाराक ह्या वेवस्थेंतल्यान ताची थकीत रक्कम बँकेच्या माध्यमांतल्यान फारीक जाता. सभापती महाशय, सरकारची सगळी रिणां पुराय तरेन फारीक करून रीण घेवपाचें बंद करप ही वेव्हारीक नदरेन अशक्य गजाल. फाटल्या सरकारान काडलेली व्हडली रिणां म्हज्या सरकारान प्रयत्नपूर्वक फारीक करपा खातीर उपाय योजना चालीक लायल्यात. सभापती महाशय, सरकार ही निरंतर प्रक्रिया आसा आनी सरकार चलोवपी नेतृत्वान हाचें भान दवरपाक जाय. फाटल्या कांय सरकारांनी आर्थीक शिस्त पाळिनासतना आपली खाती आनी महामंडळां हांच्या मार्फत अवास्तव व्याज दराचेर रिणां काडून अर्थवेवस्थेचेर भार घातिल्लो. म्हज्या सरकारान ह्या परिस्थितीचो नियाळ घेवन रितसर उपाय योजना हातांत घेतल्या आनी पोरणी रिणां फारीक करपाक आर्थीक नियोजन करप, नव्या रिणां खातीर व्याज दर कमी करून घेवप, कचरो वेवस्थापन महामंडळाचे 13% व्याज दर रीण फारीक करप, संजीवनी साखर कारखान्यांतले 12.5% व्याज दराचे रीण फारीक करप, LIC तशेंच पॉवर फायनान्स कॉर्पोरेशन हाचे अंदाजे 12% व्याज दराचे रीण रिस्ट्रक्चरींग करप, तशेंच व्याजाचो भार उणो करून फारीक करपाचें काम आमी सध्या केलां. अशा तरेच्या निर्णयांतल्यान आमी सरकारीच्या तिजोरेक कोट्यांनी रुपयाचो फायदो करपाचो थारायला. पोरणी स्टेट डेव्हलपमेंट लोन, नॅशनल स्मॉल सेव्हिंग फंड्स जी अवास्तव व्याज दराची रिणां परत विकती घेवन आर्थीक नियोजन करपा संबंधी गोंय सरकारचे अर्थ खातें, केंद्रांतले अर्थ खातें, रिझर्व्ह बँकेच्या संदर्भात भासाभास सुरू केले. फिस्कल प्रोफायल. Speaker sir, central government had allowed the additional borrowing of 2% of GSDP for the financial year 2021, out of which the 1% was a conditional base on achievement of the 4 reforms. I feel proud to say that my government has achieved all the 4 reforms and availed the additional limit. Speaker sir, I now present the brief fiscal profile of the state. My government has adopted the prudent fiscal policy and kept the deficit and debt stock related to the GSDP at a sustainable level. The fiscal deficit maintained for the current fiscal year at a 2.96% of the GSDP, which is within the prescribed norms. Due to the prevalence of the COVID-19 pandemic, the gross state domestic product estimated of the year 21-22 is the estimated of rupees 89,421.61 crores, with a growth of 9.72% as compared to the year 2021, and per capita income is 5.70 lakhs, and which is the highest in the country. Sir, the net expenditure for the year 21-22 has been estimated at the rupees 21,646.68 crores, showing the increase in 12.8% over the last year. Similarly, the revenue received of the estimated increase in 16.39% over the last year due to the greater central assistance in this fiscal year. Planning, administration and governance. Speaker sir, Goa Legislative Assembly building is completing 20 years and needs to attention regarding the civil, structural and allied works. Hence, I have made the provision of rupees 5 crores for the maintenance of work of the same. Speaker sir, over the years, I have seen that various government offices are housed in the rented premises despite of the government land being available at many places. As the Goa celebrating the Diamond Jubilee year of its liberation in this auspicious year, my government has decided to construct the tallest state-of-the-art multi-storied administrative complex building at Pato, Panji at a cost of rupees 250 crores, for which the initial provision of rupees 50 crores have been made in this year. Speaker sir, the building for housing the Goa State Museum will be constructed with the central assistant, for which the amount of rupees 10 crore has been earmarked. With an aim to settle the old dispute and undisputed tax dues cases, my government had announced the one-time settlement scheme 2020. There was the overwhelming response of the 11,798 applicants. Till now, 4,162 applications have been processed and rupees 39 crores has already been collected under this scheme. My government is committed to resolve the long pending issue in a fair manner. Speaker sir, Goa has already achieved 100% Aadhaar generation and successfully implemented 161 beneficiaries-oriented scheme through the DBT. My government is in the final processing of empanelment of the consultancy firm for availing the maximum central fund for the various projects in the state with a minimal burden on the state exchequer by adopting the success fee mechanism. Speaker sir, my government is in process of rolling out the new 49 centrally sponsored scheme and which is implemented for the first time, and I expected to get the assistance in tune of rupees 772 crores during the year 21-22. Speaker sir, in order to eliminate the overlapping benefits of the central as well as the state scheme, the 9 state schemes have been identified, devoting the central schemes which will be in tune the save rupees 200 crores to the state exchequers. Speaker sir, my government will set up the Goa Institution for the Future Transformation, GIFT, to function as a think tank and guide the government in the various policy matters for which the provision of rupees 1 crore has been made in this year. Speaker sir, I aim to make a Goa as a top performing state in the country in forthcoming SDG Index Report 3.0. Speaker sir, the young minds of today are the policy makers and the administration of the future. In order to inject the youthful energy into the administration, my government will launch Chief Minister Fellowship Program to identify the talented young mind for involving them in the process of governance, for which the provision of rupees 1 crore has been made. Speaker sir, my government is committed to successfully implementation Swayambhurna Goa program in all the parts of Goa. For this purpose, and I have made the necessary budgetary provisions in relevant departments. Speaker sir, under the Atal Gram Yojana scheme, my government has handled the Netrawadi and Sulla village to encourage the entrepreneurship qualities amongst the rural poor, promoting the self-employment and uplifting their economic status. Health. सभापती महाशय, गोय राज्यात कोरोनारी महामारीच्या काळात केल्लें कार्य आदर्शवत आसा. दोतोर आनी तंत्रज्ञान हाका टेस्टिंग फॅसिलिटी खातीर सज्ज करप, आवश्यक आरोग्य सेवा तशेंच वखदाची पूर्तता करप, विलगीकरण आनी हेर सुविधांचें नियोजन करप हें सगळें युद्ध पातळीचेर सज्ज करप हे भगीरथ प्रयत्न आमच्या शासकीय यंत्रणेन शक्य करून दाखयल्या. सभापती महाशय, ह्या वर्सा आमी आरोग्य सेवा विभागा खातीर 1,719.98 कोटी रुपयाची तरतूद केल्या, जी फाटल्या वर्साच्या तरतुदी परस 19.60% चड आसा. शहर आसूं वा गांवगिरो वाठार, आमी सगळ्यांची भलायकेची काळजी घेवपाक कटिबद्ध आसात. आमी कांय म्हत्वाचे प्रकल्प पुराय करून लोकार्पण करपाचें थारायल्या, ताची वळेरी सकयल आहा. दक्षिण गोंय जिल्हा अस्पताल हांगासर सुसज्ज कार्डियाक फॅसिलिटीज सुरू करप. तुयें, काकोडा, कासावली हांगाची प्राथमीक आरोग्य केंद्र चालू करप. प्रधानमंत्री स्वास्थ्य सुरक्षा योजने खाला गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज हाका 366 कोटी खर्च करून तयार जावपी सुपर स्पेशलिटी ब्लॉक गोवा डेंटल कॉलेज इमारत बांदून पुराय करपाक हांवें 10 कोटीची तरतूद केल्या. स्ट्रेंथनिंग ऑफ द टर्शरी केअर सेंटर फॅसिलिटीज ह्या योजने खाला 150 कोटी खर्च करून कर्करोगग्रस्त रुग्ण गोंयांतूच उपचाराची वेवस्था बेगोबेग चालीक लावपाक. गोंयच्या गांवगिऱ्या वाठारांनी रावपी लोकांक दाताची तपासणी आनी उपचार दिवपा खातीर मोबायल डेंटल बस उपलब्ध करप. सेंटर ऑफ एक्सलन्स ह्या योजने खाला 53 कोटी खर्चून 100 खाटाचे मानसोपचार इस्पितळ IPHP चालीक लावप. मानसीक रुग्णाचे पुनर्वसन करपा खातीर 17.33 कोटी खर्चून डे केअर सेंटर प्रोजेक्ट मानसोपचार इस्पितळ IPHP हांगासर चालीक लावप. विजन फॉर ऑल योजने खाला सगळ्या गोंयकारांची नेत्र चिकित्सा करून घेवप. सांखळी आरोग्य केंद्रात सुसज्ज अशें नेत्र चिकित्सालय केंद्र सुरू करपाचे मोख दवरून 5 कोटीची तरतूद केल्या. Speaker sir, the 500-bedded South Goa District Hospital will be inaugurated by May 2021 and further proposed to set up as a medical college in South Goa in South Goa district in line with the Niti Aayog policy of the one medical college per district. I also proposed to provide the full-fledged cardiac facilities at the South Goa District Hospital. Speaker sir, Ayush Hospital at Pedname will be completed by December 2021. Speaker sir, I proposed to launch the Health for All initiatives for overall health awareness among the Goans starting from the September 2021. This will involve the comprehensive health checkup of my Goan brothers and sisters. Speaker sir, I propose to amend the existing Mediclaim scheme in order to include the cancer patient within the scheme and providing the credit facilities to those cancer patients to avail the treatment without any hindrance due to the lack of finance. I also propose to increase the income limit of rupees 5 lakhs for the eligibility under this scheme and also explore to covering the major organ transplant for which the provision of rupees 3 crore has been made in this year. Speaker sir, I requested the central government to set up the aims in the state of Goa, which I am actively pursuing. Speaker sir, with a much medical infrastructure in place in the state of Goa, I will harness the potential of the medical tourism in Goa. Speaker sir, my government has started the 2 new courses, which MPhil in psychiatric social work and diploma in psychiatric nursing, which will be the very helpful for the Goan youth interested in making their careers in social work. Towards these 2 courses, I have made the provision of rupees 1.93 crores this year. Speaker sir, in order to support the palliative care center for their selfless work, I propose to provide them with the support of rupees 10 lakhs for this year. Speaker sir, the variation in the salary of the doctor on contract basis in Directorate of Health Services will slowly be eliminated. Speaker sir, my government with aid of the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India is creating the ecosystem for the food safety mitras who will help the food business operations within licensing, registration, training and auditing hygiene, and which will be also provide the Goan youth with self-employment opportunities in the state. Infrastructure, public works and water supply. सभापती महाशय, पायाभूत सुविधा हो जनतेचो एक मुळावो हक्क ह्या मताचो हांव आसा. माझ्या सरकारान विशिष्ट आर्थीक परिस्थितीन सुद्धा मुळाव्या सुविधाच्या कामात खंयसरूच आडमेळे येवपाक दिवना. माननीय नरेंद्र मोदीजी हांच्या नेतृत्वा सकयल केंद्र सरकारान खंबीरपणान गोंय सरकाराक बळगे दीत आसा. तांच्या सहकार्यान आमी पावलां मारीत आसा हाचीच एक प्रचिती म्हळ्यार गोंय आयज देशांतलें 100% नळाच्या उदकाची जोडणी आशिल्लें राज्य म्हणून नांवारूपाक आयलां. हाच्या फुडल्या पावड्यार हुपपाक आमी उदक पुरवणो सुरळीत करपाक हांवें वर्साक 200 कोटी रुपयाची तरतूद केल्या. केंद्र सरकारच्या जलजीवन मिशन मार्फत ही मोख आम्ही साध्य करतले. बारीक आणि मध्यम स्तराच्या हॉटेल खानावळी हांगा मेळपी नळाच्या उदकाचो दर सुसूत्रीत करून हॉटेल वेवसायीक आणि सामान्य मनशाक थकाय दिवपाचे सरकारान निर्णय घेतला. सभापती महाशय, सध्याची बिल आकारणी पद्दत सुसूत्रीत करून घरगुती नळाच्या बिलाची रक्कम उणी करपाचो मोख आम्ही साध्य करतले. Speaker sir, my government is envision speeding up of the well has completion of the various water supply project on the fast track board. Some of the key works as under water treatment plant and totaling of 34 MLD at Ganjem and Porvorim, which is rupees 135 crores. The Porvorim plant likely to be commissioned by the 30th of April 2021. Water treatment plant totaling to 150 MLD at Sandil, Salavlim, Kankona, Tuve and other works across the state. Rupees 136 crores of the urban water supply and rupees 285 crores for the rural water supply, totaling to rupees 421 crores to be taken up for the execution in the ensuing year. Goa Water Supply and Sewerage Project with the external assistance from the Japan International Cooperation Agencies JICA, 1,404.57 crores. The entire project is targeted for the completion by October 2021. Speaker sir, with the completion of all the above water supply scheme as planned, the vision of my government is to provide 100 LPCD for the rural areas and 150 LPCDs for urban areas will be achieved. Speaker sir, as regards the sewerage sector, our focus areas are as under. The present sewerage coverage in the state of Goa is 16%, and my government has prepared a master plan for the sewerage facilities for the entire Goa state amounting of rupees 4,735 crores. To enhance the coverage up to 28%, Sewerage Corporations has taken up the amounting of rupees 1,589 crores at Margaon, Naveli, Kolva, Fonda, Porvorim and Taligaon. I have earmarked an amount of rupees 380 crores for the sewerage scheme and proposed to formulate the house sewer connection scheme for the household to avail the sewer connection at a reduced cost. Speaker sir, Goa has achieved the target of being an open defecation free state in the entire country. Speaker sir, due to COVID-19 pandemic, new infrastructure works could not be taken up due to the financial and workforce constraint. However, the economic back on its track, I now propose to hot mix all the roads of the state laying in a bad condition within the next 4 months. Speaker sir, under the Central Road Infrastructure Fund, the 5 road projects are proposed to be taken as under. The road along the existing Raibandar bypass connecting the NH 74B, which is 3.5 crores. The SH3 from the Bayesulla to Bhamai Uzgaon, 8.3 kilometers, which is in rupees 7.2 crores. MDR 26 Valpai to Thane, rupees 4.5 crores. MDR 27 from Valpai to Bironda, Advai Pisulem, Honda, rupees 9.8 crores. Existing link road from the Amigos to Borim, which is 39.95 crores. Speaker sir, in order to construct, hot mix, repair and maintain the roads in good condition, I have provided an outlay of rupees 600 crores in this year. Speaker sir, my government is constantly monitoring execution of the various national highway projects sanctioned and fully funded by the Union government and will ensure that these projects are completed in time-bound manner. Which is works are the construction of the road between the Sada to Varnapuri in Vasco in progress. The 4-laning of the NH66 from the Patradevi to Bambolim, which includes the major bridge at Kolware and the construction of the Zuari bridge, including its approaches, in progress. Margaon Western Bypass, up to the length of 5.7 kilometer been made operational and balance work in progress. Missing link on NH 17B from Lotlim to Verna nearing completion. Hot mixing of the various stretches at the national highway in the total length of 142 kilometers to be completed before the onset of monsoon this year. Speaker sir, the Chief Minister Rozgar Yojana for engineering professionals has been introduced to provide the hands-on experience to the young diploma and degree engineers in executing small works. Under these schemes, youngsters can take up the four developmental work with a reduced tender fees, reduced EMD, and without any performance guarantee. Speaker sir, GSID has continued to be the premier infrastructure SPV of the state. Though the COVID pandemic slowed down the progress of the some work, my government has taken the following projects on war footing and will be commissioned before the monsoon. The construction of the High Court complex at Pays de France, Porvorim, Goa. The construction of the Ashram School, Moshifond Village, Poingeni. The construction of the head office of the Commissioner of the Commercial Taxes, Panaji. The construction of the bus stand and mini depot at Sakli, Goa. Speaker sir, further my government is processed to construct the Freedom Fighters Memorial at Patradevi, 6-lane road over the bridge including the approaches at Ravan Fort, Margaon, warehouses for the storage of EVM and VVPTS machines, the bus stand at Bapsa and 4-lane bridges at Hodar in Kurcharam constituency. I also propose to expand and upgradation of the infrastructure of the primary health center at Sange. Speaker sir, in order to undertake the developmental activities through GSIDC in the state, I have provided rupees 450 crores them as a capital outlay this year. Speaker sir, I have created the Goa Pragati platform from which I monitor the various developmental projects being undertaken in the state through the various agencies. The list of the project is provided as Annexure 1. Speaker sir, फाटल्या वर्षभराच्या भितर GSIDC असतले, PWD असतले, WRD असतले, टुरिझम कॉर्पोरेशन असतले, हाज्या वतीन वेगवेगळ्या मतदारसंघात आसपी सगळे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चरचे प्रोजेक्ट हे गोवा प्रगती प्लॅटफॉर्म हाच्या अंतर्गत हांव पर्सनली मॉनिटर करता आनी ताज्या खातीर सगळ्या मतदारसंघातले प्रोजेक्ट जरी हांवें उच्चारले ना जाल्यार फाटल्यान लायिल्ल्या लिस्टात सगळे प्रोजेक्ट जे गोवा प्रगतीच्या अंडर येवपी GSIDC, WRD सगळ्या ज्या कन्स्ट्रक्शन लायन डिपार्टमेंटान आसात ताजे लिस्ट हे फाटल्यान लायला. कोणीच समजचे न्ही की म्हाज्या भाशणांतल्यान एखादो प्रोजेक्ट आपल्या मतदारसंघातल्यान आयलो ना म्हणजे तो घेवंक ना. हांव पर्सनली मॉनिटर करता. भितरले कितलेशेच प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लिशनच्या स्टेजीचेर आयल्या. ताजी टोटल कॉस्ट जी आसा ही 12,576 कोटीची कामां ही कंप्लिटली ह्या वर्सा काही फुडें वयतली अशा पद्दतीचे प्रोजेक्ट हे गोवा प्रगती प्लॅटफॉर्म हाच्या कंटिन्युअसली माय ऑफिस आणि सगळी ऑल डिपार्टमेंट्स ही जी ताका कन्सर्न NOCs किंवा फास्ट ट्रॅक करपा खातीर लागता ते कंटिन्युअसली आमी फॉलोअप करीत आसा. वॉटर रिसोर्सीस. सभापती महाशय, बोले तैसा चाले त्याची वंदावे पाऊले अशी एक प्रचलित उक्ती आसा. सरकाराचो भाग आसतना एक भूमिका, सरकाराचो भाग नासतना दुसरी भूमिका अशा प्रकारचे धरसोड वृत्तीचे राजकारण आमच्या राज्याच्या फुडारा खातीर घातक आसा. मादय ह्या विशयाचेर जावपी राजकारण बंद जावन आमी सगळ्या गोंयकारांनी एका निर्धारान एकत्र येवपाक जाय अशें म्हजें मत आसा. सभापती महाशय, म्हाका म्हज्या सरकारान म्हादय विशयाचेर गांभीर्याचें आसा आनी ह्याच कारणान म्हादयच्या उदकाचो प्रवाह अवैध पद्दतीन बदलपाचो शेजारी राज्याच्या कृती विरोधात सर्वोच्च न्यायालयान विशेष याचिका दाखल करपाचें काम म्हाज्याच कार्यकाळात जालां. शेजारी राज्यान न्यायालयान लवाद्याच्या आदेशाचें उल्लंघन केलां. ह्या संदर्भात गोंय सरकारान वेगळी अवमान याचिका दाखल केल्या, जाचो परिणाम म्हणून न्यायालयान तिनूय राज्यांक मेळोवन देखरेख समिती तयार केल्या जी 4 सप्तकां भितर अहवाल सादर करतली. म्हादई ह्या पात्रात उदकाच्या खारसाणीचो अभ्यास करपाचें कामूय सुरू जालां. म्हादईच्या उदकाचेर गोंयकारांचो न्याय हक्काचेर ह्या सगळ्यांक शिक्कामोर्तब जावपाक मदत जातली. ह्या संदर्भात समेस्त गोंयकारांक सांगपाक सोदता की म्हादई ह्या विशयाचेर कसलीच तोडजोड केली वयची ना हें हांव परत एकदां रिपीट करतां. Various work have been proposed to ensure the consistent water availability to our citizens. The project details as under: the construction of the 15 MLD raw water pumping station at Girim to the water supply to the Housing Board Parvarim in a phased manner, to be commenced shortly. The construction of the barrage on the Khandepar River for the irrigation and the drinking water to the Keri and Savoy in a pre-all constituency being taken up shortly at a cost of rupees 100 crores. Construction of the barrage and upgradation of the raw water pumping station at Ganjem on Madhai River for the augmentation of the raw water from the 35 MLD storage to the 100 MLD for the OPA waterworks for catering the Tiswadi and Fonda Taluka. In progress. Speaker sir, my government has started the mapping all the water resources in the state, be it springs, lakes and wells, taluka-wise. The comprehensive document of the same being prepared along with the QR code which will be show the location of the source on the Google Maps. Speaker sir, my government is revising the existing state water policy which was formulated in the year 2000. By incorporating various environmental aspects and new water conservation aspects, the policy will be implemented from this year. Speaker sir, in this year, I proposed to desilt the major dams, Saravlim, Anjuna, Tilari, to enhance their water carrying capacity. Speaker sir, National Cyclonic Risk Mitigation Projects has been implemented with the assistance from the central government to taken up the early warning dissemination system, wherein towers being erected for the last mile connectivity for the disaster warning to the public. The work of the construction of the multi-purpose cyclone shelters at 12 different locations at Chikalim, Kurem, Poingeni, Sristhal, Nagarshe, Pirna, Shivole, Pays de France, Mandre, Ake, Altino and Sankwale is going on in full fledged. Speaker sir, to provide uninterrupted raw water to the Bardis Taluka, it is planned to lay the 23-kilometer pipeline from the Tilari Dam. This will cost nearly rupees 122 crores. The proposal is agreed in the meeting called by both the states, the Goa and Maharashtra. Civil aviation. Speaker sir, the construction of the Greenfield Airport at Mopa is utmost priority of the government after the Honorable Supreme Court verdict has been pronounced on the 16th January 2020. The construction work of the phase 1 of the airport is progressing satisfactorily in spite of the COVID-19 slowdown. The actual physical progress of the construction of the work is 21.70%. The airport is planned to be commenced during the August 2022. Speaker sir, in order to ensure the better and improved connectivity to the airport, the Ministry of the Road, Transport and Highway has approved the express linking the airport and National Highway NH66, which is proposed to be completed along with the commissioning of the airport. For this expressway, an outlay of rupees 75 crores has been provided. Speaker sir, the government is devoted to the plantation of 5.5 lakhs trees on the use of land at Mopa, which will 2.10 lakh samplings has already planted, and the plantation will be carried out through the Goa State Biodiversity Board. Speaker sir, Aviation Skill Development Center, which will impart the necessary skills and training to unemployed youth to become the eligible for the various job opportunities to the Mopa Airport, will be functional from October 2021. Transport. Speaker, sir, the Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprise, Government of India, has released rupees 5.50 crores to Kadamba Transport Corporation Limited as the first installment of the grant for the deployment of 50 number of electrical buses in the state. And I am pleased to state that the further 100 more electric buses are being sanctioned under the FAME 2 scheme. Speaker, sir, my government provides the accidental death insurance scheme for which an amount of rupees 1.50 crores has been provided for this scheme. Speaker, sir, in the view of rise in the fuel price, my government through the fuel subsidy scheme provides the subsidy to 508 private state carriage owners as of the December 2020. In order to continue my government support to the private bus owners, I have made the provision of rupees 18 crores for the fuel subsidy scheme. Speaker, sir, the central government has already declared the vehicle scrappage policy to weed out the older and highly polluting vehicles from the road. In line with the vision of the central government, I have made the allocation of the bus replacement scheme to the rupees of 9 crores. Speaker, sir, I proposed to formulate Kadamba Sathi scheme, wherein the Kadamba Corporation would hire the private carriage services for providing the reliable transport facilities on certain routes at a subsidized rate. For the implementation of this scheme, I have earmarked an amount of rupees 10 crores for this year. Speaker, sir, I proposed to develop the scheme to encourage the installation of digital meters in commercial vehicles, for which the provision of rupees 32 crores has been made. And I also proposed to establish the three vehicle testing center across the state. My government has decided to provide the one-time free installation digital fare meters. Speaker, sir, under ease of doing the business, my government has expanded the facilities by adding the more payment services this year, like the payment of road tax and passenger tax for the new registration and other state vehicle, the bulk payment of the passenger taxes, facilitation cum inspection fee payment by dealers, it is on counter signature fees and a payment and cess fees. Captain of Ports and River Navigation. Speaker, sir, the work of desilting of River Sal from the Talavli Varka, the new bridge downstream up to the Shetmari, so as to facilitate the free movement of the passenger and fishing boats has commenced and will be completed by April 2021. Speaker, sir, the world exploring avenues to encash the blue economy. The Goa has a good river network as well as the sea connectivity. Hence, the Goa harness the potential of this sector. I proposed to establish Goa Maritime Board, for which I have made the budgetary provision of rupees 1 crore of rupees. Which power. Speaker, sir, total allocation of the power sector stands at rupees 3,025.36 crores for this year 21-22. My government is committed towards the development of green energy as the first step towards generating the maximum power through the renewable energy resource. The MOU with the Conversion Services Energy Limited, the Ministry of the Power, Government of India, to set up the 100 megawatt decentralized solar power plants has been signed. Speaker, sir, at grassroots level, my government proposed to promote biogas generation in poultries, piggeries, and cattle farms. I also explore the generation of 600 megawatt of the solar and hydropower, and which includes the hybrid solar wind wave energy plants. For solar energy, I have provided the outlay of rupees 60 crores under the Department of new and renewable energy. Speaker sir, my government is signing the MOU with NTPC for 200 megawatt solar power, and my government is actively considering the setting up of the floating solar plant in Goa with the assistance from the central government. Speaker sir, with the world moving towards the electrical vehicle for reducing the pollution, I propose to support this move by providing the necessary infrastructure support for setting up of charging points and station on the government land. The policy in this regard will be soon be formulated, for which the provision of rupees 20 crore has been made in this year. Speaker sir, works the tune of rupees 350 crores are under the execution in the different parts of the state, and the project amounting of rupees 400 crores are under consideration. In order to ensure that uninterrupted electricity reaches each and every household in the state, I propose to upgrade the major feeders, modernize the substation, and build a new gas insulated substation. Speaker sir, the following works has to be proposed, which will be enhance the power sector in the same. The annexure is placed here only. हांव सगळ्या annexuraंतल्यान वचना, कारण लिस्ट खूब व्हडलें आसा, वेगवेगळ्या हातूंतल्यान वचपी हाका लायिल्लें आसा. सगळ्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएंसीचे वेगवेगळे लिस्ट ताका लायिल्ले अटॅच केल्ले आसा. Speaker sir, my government has for the first time launched the online services for the major consumer-oriented services such as application of new connection, change of name, categorically load. Speaker sir, introducing the OTS scheme for defaulter consumers of the electricity charges, my government has been able to give the relief to the consumer as well as for the earn the legacy dues. Mines. सभापती महाशय, मायनिंग व्यवसाय सुरळीतपणान चलोवन ताचेर निभोवन आशिल्ल्या म्हाज्या प्रत्येक जनतेक थकाय मेळचे हाच्या खातीर म्हजें सरकार न्यायालयीन तशेंच केंद्रीय स्तराचेर प्रयत्न करीत आसा. हो वेवसाय चालीक लावपा खातीर हांवें गोवा स्टेट मायनिंग कॉर्पोरेशनची स्थापना करपाचें थारायलां. Speaker sir, in order to promote the ease of doing the business and to ensure the seamless process for the grant of coring leases for the minor minerals, my government shall bring the amendments to the Goa Minor Mineral Concession Rule 1985. Speaker sir, my government also shall expedite the grant permit for the traditional sand mining once the bathymetric study by the National Institute of Oceanography for the Govan rivers is completed and reports are submitted. Speaker sir, my government has formulated the scheme in consultation with the Central Empowered Committee, and which is now pursuing with the Honorable Supreme Court of India for the utilization of the permissible part of the Goa Iron Ore Permanent Fund towards the welfare of the mining affected area of the state. Speaker sir, necessary steps being taken to utilize the district mineral fund for the mining affected people. Speaker sir, my government will sign the MOU with the Mineral Exploration Corporation Limited, MECL, for carrying out the mapping of the mineral resources in the state of Goa and identify the potential mining sites. Industries. Speaker sir, the Goa Investment Promotion Board, since the inception, has granted the principal approval of 196 projects, which comprises the 79 new manufacturing units, 52 new hospitality projects, 13 new service sector projects, 48 projects of expansion of the existing manufacturing units, and 4 projects from existing hospitality units. The total investment expected from all these units is 15,780 crores and the employment potential is 37,247 people. Speaker Sir, Goa IDC on behalf of the local bodies collects the various taxes from the companies functioning in the industrial estate. For paying these dues, including the past dues, to the respective local bodies through the Industries Department, I have increased the budgetary provision of rupees 750 crores. Speaker Sir, for the development of industrial infrastructure, I have earmarked an amount of rupees 10 crores in this fiscal to boost the investment in the state. I also proposed to improve the local transport in the industries and also provide the residential hostel for the workers in the industries. Speaker Sir, I am pleased to inform you that the central government has accorded the approval for an amount of rupees 16.20 crores for the Konkan Maritime Cluster and for the first maritime cluster of the country. On the similar lines, my government has applied for the setting up of medical device park in Goa. Speaker Sir, my government has promoted the beekeeping scheme for making the farmers and youth Swayapurna. Around 1,000 bee boxes will be distributed to train the beekeepers during the 21-22. Speaker Sir, for the administrative efficiency, I proposed to bring GHRSSIDC under the administrative control of Department of Handicraft, Textile and Coir. Speaker Sir, I proposed to extend the employment subsidies to unit in the service sector hiring the Goans and which commenced operation from the 1st April 2021. I also proposed to further extend this scheme to the cashew industry. My government will constitute a task force to examine and propose the viable solution regenerating the 6 closed units in the industrial estate. IT Department. Speaker Sir, I am pleased to mention that Goa e-District application had stood second in All India survey conducted by Department of Personal Administrative Reforms, Government of India. E-District platform Goa Online currently hosts 136 services of 21 departments and has 3.2 lakhs registered users and 13.5 lakhs completed applications. Speaker Sir, my government has taken a decision to adopt NIC software as a service SWAS for having the uniform website across the department. There are currently 7 citizen service centers run by the department through the GL and more than 2.8 lakh applications have been processed till date. I proposed to strengthen them to extend the number of citizen service centers to 150 for reaching the local public at large. Speaker Sir, I am quite elated to inform you that the land allotment policy for the Greenfield Electronic Manufacturing Cluster project at 2M, Pedne, has been notified last year and the land allotment process commenced with the various interested units approaching, showing the interest in the investment. Speaker Sir, under Pradhan Mantri Gramin Digital Saksharta Abhiyan and which aims to have the one digital literacy person per household, 1,324 citizens have been registered and 653 citizens have been certified as digitally literates. Speaker Sir, as on date, 69 applications have been approved. An amount of rupees 6 crore have been provisionized for smooth implementation of this policy. Speaker Sir, I propose to revise the startup policy to include non-IT startups in line with the National Startup Policy. Speaker sir, my government has already implemented e-Pagar application on trial basis for generating the salary bills electronically. The same will be extended to all the DDOs to do away with the old manual salary bill procedures. Speaker sir, I also propose to implement EHRMS project, Human Resource Management System, which will help the government to maintain an online database of the employees working across the state. Speaker sir, in the same direction, I propose to implement the financial management system with the view to improve the efficiency and reduce redundancy in the accounting process, for which I have made the provision of rupees 2 crores in the current year. Speaker sir, to have the high-speed connectivity and strong IT infrastructure, I sought assistance from the central government for the BharatNet project. Labor employment. सभापती महाशय, म्हजे सरकार गोयच्या तरणाट्याक सरकारी आणि खाजगी क्षेत्रात रोजगार दिवपाक कटिबद्ध आसा. सरकारी पावण्याचेर 11,000 नोकऱ्यो तयार जाल्यात. तातूंतल्यो आज एडवर्टायज जाल्ल्यो म्हाका दिसता 1,000 आनी ऑड कितें तरी, ताज्या पयलीं 1,000 सुमार, म्हणजे 2,000 पेक्षा चड जागा भरपाक आमी जायराती काडल्यो. गुंतवणूक मंडळांतल्यान मंजूर केल्ल्या प्रकल्पांच्या माध्यमांतल्यान अंदाजे 37,000 नोकऱ्यो तयार जावपाच्यो आमकां खात्री आसा. सरकारा कडल्यान 11,000 आनी गुंतवणूक IPBंतल्यान 37,000 नोकऱ्यो ह्यो निश्चितच आमी तयार जातल्यो. स्पीकर सर, Model Career Center hub in collaboration with CII with the state-of-the-art facilities at a regional employment exchange has been inaugurated, which will take the initiatives to connect all job seekers across the Goa with the relevant employment opportunities. This has also transformed the services rendered by Employment Exchange to an online portal, wherein the employers can notify their vacancies and get the list of prospective Goan job seekers at their fingerprints. Under the Rule of 16, the Rule of Procedure of the Conduct of the Business, I move the motion to extend the duration of the sitting of the House by 1 hour.
The motion is that duration of the sitting of the House be extended by 1 hour. Those in favor may say ayes. Those against may say noes. The ayes have it. The ayes have it.
Speaker sir, my government will take up a project setting up of the ESI hospital in North Goa by engaging with the central government. Speaker sir, the more employment will be carried out through the Goa Human Resource Development Corporation for providing the services to the government department, businesses and industries. Speaker sir, I will try to provide the job security to the contract workers who have been working on the contract for more than 10 years in the government. Speaker sir, I propose to issue the health card to all the migrant workforce in order to ensure their health and hygiene during their stay in the state. Factories and boilers. Speaker sir, under ease of doing business, my government has undertaken the various reforms, the major ones being electronically self-certification scheme and increasing the threshold limit of the number of workers for applicability of the Factories Act. Also, 9 services under the provision of Factories Act and Boiler Act have been introduced online. Speaker sir, my government has successfully in reducing the number of fatalities and reportable injuries in the factories. This has been possible due to the third-party audits and training workers for making them aware of the hazards in factories. Speaker sir, I propose to revive the 2 courses, namely Associate Fellow of Industrial Health organized by DG Facile, Mumbai, and 1-month course for the supervisors working in hazardous industries. टुरिजम सभापती महाशय, पर्यटन हो राज्याच्या दृष्टीन एक महत्वाचो घटक आसा. वैश्विक महामारीच्या वेळार सुद्धा गोंय ह्याच पर्यटकाच्या गोंय हीच पर्यटकाच्या पसंतीची जागा आशिल्ली. माझ्या सरकारान कोविड-19 संबंधी नियमाचे पालन करून पर्यटनाक चालना दिली. ह्या पर्यटनाचेर व्यवसायाचेर निबून आशिल्ल्या सगळ्या घटकांक आमी योग्य ते सहकार्य दितले. Speaker sir, on account of the major initiatives undertaken for branding, marketing and promoting and destination of my government, the Goa has become one of the best performing state on the social media engagement. Speaker sir, in order to support the tourism industry, which has been adversely affected due to the pandemic, I proposed to introduce Tourism Trade Support Scheme, wherein all the registered B, C and D category hotels, accommodations and travel and tour operators with the Department of Tourism will be provided with the interest subvention on working capital of loans up to 25 lakhs. I have allotted to the sum of rupees 5 crores for the purpose, which will be the benefits around more than 200 hotels stroke accommodations and more than 1,000 tour and travel operators. Speaker sir, in order to promote to encourage the entry of more international charter tourists in the state, I propose to reduce the burden on the charter flights by bearing the part of the parking and landing fees at Dabolim International Airport. For this purpose, I have made the provision of rupees 5 crores for this year. Speaker sir, my government under Atmanirbhar Bharat Swayambhurna Goa will develop our village by promoting homestay, backwater tourism, experiential tour and the rich heritage to the tourist. The model village will be developed on the unique theme such as tribal, agro, craft, heritage and other such concepts, which will allow the tourists to visit the offbeat locations of the state instead of concentrating only on the coastal belt. For creating the necessary infrastructure in these model villages, I am making the provision of rupees 5 crores for the same. Speaker sir, my government has approved Goa Tourism Master Plan and Tourism Policy 2020. The focus of tourism stakeholders and the citizens of Goa is to prioritize the quality tourism over the volume-based tourism by promoting the state niche culture, rich heritage, natural attraction and underexplored villages while supporting the ecosystem and necessary tourism infrastructure development. For implementing various targets formulated in this policy, I have made the provision of rupees 1 crore for the estimated of the Goa Tourism Board. Speaker sir, in order to make the trip of tourists the more enjoyable and educative while diminishing the language barrier, I propose to increase the base of the tourist guide to 1,000 over the 2 years by offering the Tourist Facilitator Program, the free of cost to Goan youth. Further, I propose to develop the advanced curriculum with the tie-up with the premier universities, which will be includes the training on soft skill, etiquettes and at least the one foreign language. Speaker sir, it has been endeavor of my government to make the Goan beaches safe and clean, and for which the provision of rupees 48.67 crores has been made. Speaker sir, I proposed to develop interland circuit covering areas such as Mayam Lake, Harvalem Waterfall, Bondla Zoo, and also proposed to develop the infrastructure around Old Goa churches at a cost of rupees 100 crores for the development of the world-class tourism infrastructure with the assistance from the central government. Speaker sir, my government has developed Agwa Jail as a tourism destination And the rich history of this location will be placed before the global tourist, which will be the befitting the tribute to our freedom fighters during the 60th year of liberation. In order to develop the various tourism-related infrastructure in the state through the Goa Tourism Development Corporation, I have made the provision of rupees 75 crores in this year. Agriculture, animal husbandry and fisheries. Agriculture, सभापती महाशय, गोंय स्वयंपूर्ण करपाक कृषी क्षेत्र म्हत्वाच्या वाटेर आसा आणि म्हणूनच हांवें कृषी क्षेत्राक रुपीज 489.19 कोटीची तरतूद केल्या. एकूण 500 ऑर्गॅनिक क्लस्टर मार्फत 10,000 हेक्टर जमिनींतल्यान सेंद्रीय उत्पन्न घेवन आमचे शेतकार निर्यात करपाक सक्षम जातले. स्फूर्ती क्लस्टर मार्फत पारंपारीक कृषी उत्पन्न पुनर्जीवित करपा खातीर रुपीज 5.50 कोटीची तरतूद केल्या. संजीवनी सहकारी साखर कारखान्याच्या सुरळीत कार्यनिवृत्त करपा खातीर आमी हो कारखानो कृषी खात्याच्या आख्यायित रित्या हाडलो. संजीवनी स्वयंपूर्ण जावपाच्या ह्या नजरेन हांवें 15 कोटीची तरतूद केल्या. स्पीकर सर, कृषी पणन महामंडळ ई-नाम पोर्टल मार्फत तरेकवार कार्यावळी चालीक लावपाक हांवें 2 कोटीची तरतूद केल्या. स्पीकर सर, म्हज्या शेतकार भावाक ताच्या कृषी उत्पन्ना खातीर आधारभूत किंमत दिवपाचें हांवें 15 कोटीची तरतूद केल्या. Speaker sir, under the scheme plan to control the price rise and Shetkari Aadhar Nidhi, an amount of rupees 24 crores has been provided to support farmers. Speaker sir, my government has provided 41,900 Krushi card to farmers for availing the assistance under the various scheme. I aim to achieve the 100% Kisan credit card coverage all over the farmers in the state. Speaker sir, my government proposes to set up 12 farmer producer organizations, one each in every taluka for the crop production, post-harvest management and marketing of the agriculture produce. Speaker sir, my government has given the boost for marketing by producing the 752 tons of locally produced vegetables, benefiting 1,018 farmers. The provision of rupees 3 crores has been made for the same to boost the locally produced vegetable. Speaker sir, 2 centers of excellence are proposed for cultivation of high-value vegetables and flowers at a government farm in Kale, Sangye Taluka and Kodar at Fonda Taluka. Speaker sir, in order to provide a GI tag to our local indigenous products for making them popular on the global map, I have made a provision of rupees 2 crores in the budget. Some of the items being considered for tagging are Mankurat mango, Bibinka, it is a Taligaon brinjal, coconut feni, Kunbi sari, and Satchiro bendi. Animal husbandry. Speaker sir, पशु संवर्धन क्षेत्र म्हणजे सरकार भरघोस बळगे दितले. ग्राम शक्ती योजना, वराह पालन योजना, बकरी पालन योजना अशा साबार योजनांतल्यान गोंय पशुपालन क्षेत्रात अग्रेसर जायत आसा. दिवचल हांगा आद्यवत आनी सुसज्ज अशें पशुचिकित्सा इस्पताळ चालीक लावपाचें आमचो हावेस आसा. Speaker sir, for the stray cattle management scheme to tackle the stray menace, I have made the provision of rupees 10 crores for the Gaushala involved in this work. Further, I will also take steps to make this Gaushala self-sufficient. Fisheries. Speaker sir, fisheries constitute an important socio-economic activity in state. Honorable Union Fisheries Minister Sri Giriraj Singh Ji has announced the investment of rupees 400 crores for the making Goa as a fisheries hub. With such support from the central government, my government will focus the development of this sector in line with the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana. I am pleased to state that the central government has conveyed the approval of our proposal costing of 44.66 crores. Speaker sir, I am pleased to state that my government has undertaken the special drive to cover the fishermen under the Kisan Credit Card, and 235 numbers of the fishermen have been issued this card. I am to cover the 100% fishermen under this scheme. Speaker sir, to provide the boost to estuarine and brackish water fishing and diversification from the captive fishing to inland fishing, I have allocated 3.63 crores for these sectors. Further provision of rupees 14 crores for this year has been provided for subsidizing the VAT and fuel to our fishermen in state. Speaker sir, my government has notified Goa State Mariculture Policy 2020 for the implementation of the open sea cage fish farming to ensure the maximum economic returns to the state from aquaculture. Social welfare, women and child development, and tribal welfare. Social welfare. Speaker sir, it is a commitment of my government to continue the providing financial assistance to the needy senior citizen, single woman, Divyang, and person with the mental illness. The allocation of the Dayanand Samajik Suraksha scheme stands at 365 crores this year. Speaker sir, recognizing the plight faced by widows, I propose to increase their monthly assistance of rupees 2,500 from the existing 2,000 rupees. Speaker sir, I proposed to introduce Mukhyamantri Devdarshan scheme for the senior citizen in association with IRCTC visiting the pilgrim sites, for which I have made the provision of rupees 2.5 crores for this year. Mukhyamantri Devdarshan scheme. Speaker sir, I proposed to revive the Goiso Dais scheme, and with the certain modification for the supporting the traditional occupants in the state, namely the Padeli, Vodekar, Chari, Mest, Kumbar, Kasar, Mitkar, Mahalo, Kobar, Murtikar, Pilots, and Modwal, for which the provision of rupees 5 crores has been provided. Goiso Dais. Speaker sir, I aim to provide the aids and assistance devices to the benefit all our Divyang brothers and sisters. I proposed to provide the doorstep consultations and therapy for the Divyangs by starting Divyang Rath vehicle. Speaker sir, under the Accessible India campaign of the central government, retrofitting work of all the 45 identified buildings localities will be completed in order to provide the barrier-free access. Speaker sir, my government will continue to provide the scholarships to SC, OBC, and economically backward students with the assistance from the central government. Speaker sir, acknowledging the efforts taken by the certain NGOs in the social welfare sector, I proposed to support them through the government grant to boost their morale. I also propose to upgrade the infrastructure of Providoria, as the most of the premises are in a bad shape. Speaker sir, I proposed to enable the economical weaker section to avail the benefits of the social welfare scheme. वुमेन एंड चाइल्ड डिपार्टमेंट. सभापती महाशय, महिला आणि बाल कल्याण खात्यामार्फत साबार योजना राबवून आम्ही समाजाक आधार दिता. आमच्या विवाहित पण अर्थसहाय्य मेळूक नाशिल्ल्या लाडली लक्ष्मी लाभार्थ्यांक आमचे सरकार येता त्या 30 मे 2021 मेरेन आर्थिक सहाय्य दितले. लाडली लक्ष्मी योजने खातीर 90 कोटी, ममता आणि मातृवंदना योजने खातीर 6.5 कोटी, महिला मंडळ आणि स्वयंसहाय्य गटाच्या चलपी स्वावलंबन योजने खातीर 10 कोटी अशी भरीव तरतूद हांवें ह्या अर्थसंकल्पात केल्या. घरगुती हिंसा, मानसिक तणाव आणि ग्रस्त महिलांच्या खातीर निर्भया फंड मार्फत वन स्टॉप सेंटर अंडर द निर्भया फंड बांदप आणि 410 महिला पोलीस स्वयंसेवक जोडून घेवपा खातीर हांवें 67 लाखाची तरतूद केल्या. सभापती महाशय, मुळाव्या स्तराचेर काम करपी अंगणवाडी सेविका बद्दल सरकार संवेदनशील आसा. तेका मेळपी मुळावें मानधन 7,000 वयल्यान 10,000 वयर सुरू जातलें हो आमी निर्णय घेतला. अंगणवाडी सेविका खातीर आमी नव्या आर्थीक वर्षांत स्वेच्छा निवृत्ती योजना जाहीर करतले. ट्रायबल वेलफेअर. स्पीकर सर, to provide the decent houses to all my tribal people, I have increased the allocation under the Atal Ashra Yojana from rupees 12 crores to 20 crores. Speaker sir, my government in process of identifying the site for setting up of the food processing project under the Tri-Food. The Ministry of the Tribal Affairs has already sanctioned 10 Vanadhan Kendras to the state of Goa, which will be given the impetus to the tribal entrepreneurs in the rural parts of Goa. Speaker sir, the central government has sanctioned the Tribal Research Institute for the state of Goa amounting of rupees 23.20 crores. Speaker sir, my government proposed to establish an Eklavya model residential school with the central assistance in the village Arlakeri of Fonda Taluka in Priol constituency to provide the quality education to the ST student. Speaker sir, my government proposes to establish the project cell under the Tribal Welfare Department, which will coordinate with the various line departments for the optimum utilization of the funds given under the various centrally sponsored tribal scheme. Speaker sir, in order to provide the sanitary napkin to all the tribal women and to train them in making the sanitary pad, I have made the provision of rupees 5 crores under the My Pad, My Right initiatives. Education, higher education and technical education. सभापती महाशय, भारत देशाच्या संविधानाचे शिल्पकार महामानव भारतरत्न डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर हाणी दिल्लो मंत्र शिका, संघटित व्हा आणि संघर्ष करा हो संदेश आमी सदांच याद दवरपाक जाय. नव्या युगांतल्या नव्या आव्हानांक समर्थपणान पेलपाची ताकद आमच्या समाजात येवपाची गरज आसा. ताची तरतूद केंद्र सरकारांतल्यान नवे राष्ट्रीय शैक्षणिक धोरण चालीक लावन केल्या. गोंय राज्यांतल्या रितसर ह्या धोरणाची अंमलबजावणी जातली हाच्या खातीर आमचे सरकार सगळे यत्न करतले. Education. Speaker sir, this sector is close to my heart. This sector covers our entire future generation. The total allocation to the education sector for this year stand of rupees 3,038 crores. Speaker sir, to assist the student of 10th and 12th standard in choosing the stream appropriate to their aptitude and interest, my government has providing the stream and career counseling to all the students of the 10th and 12th standard in the state with the free of cost. Speaker sir, my government has conducted online capacity building training program to equip the teachers for handling the video conferencing tool in order to encourage the digital education and teaching concept. I propose to set up the computer labs in government school. Speaker sir, to inculcate the mathematical and logical aptitude among the school students, I proposed to formulate CM coding and robotics scheme, which will make the student aware about the coding and robotic concept at a school level itself, for which the provision of rupees 25 crores has been made. Higher education. सभापती महाशय, गोंय कला संस्कृती तशेंच ज्ञान विज्ञानाचें केंद्र जावचें हो म्हज्या सरकाराचो हावेस आसा. ह्या दिकेन आणखी एक पावल म्हणून हांवें अध्यासन एकाडेमीक चेर जाहीर करता. गोवा विद्यापीठ हांगा समाजशास्त्र विशयाचेर छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज अध्यासन, गोवा कॉलेज ऑफ थिएटर आर्ट्स हांगासर नाट्यकला विशयाचें विष्णू सुर्या वाघ अध्यासन, गोवा संगीत महाविद्यालय हांगा शास्त्रीय संगीत विशयाचेर पंडित जितेंद्र अभिषेकी अध्यासन, गोवा कॉलेज ऑफ आर्ट हांगा मॉडर्न आर्ट विशयाचेर लक्ष्मण पै अध्यासन. हाच्या खातीर हांवें आर्थीक तरतूद केल्या. Speaker sir, with the passing of the Private University Act last year, I am pleased to announce that my government has issued the letter of intent to 3 private universities and has accorded in principle approval to the International Law University sponsored by the Bar Council and Western Region campus of the Forensic University. Speaker sir, besides conducting the online classes for the college students on a various platform, my government has initiated Dishtao, a comprehensive and holistic program to create e-content syllabus of the college affiliated to the Goa University. Speaker sir, for the coaching the school students for the exams such as IIT, JEE, NEET, etc., my government will engage the institute to provide comprehensive coaching to the students appearing in the competitive examination and providing the scholarship to the eligible candidates. Technical education. Speaker sir, my government has constructed the additional building at a cost of rupees 10 crores at a government polytechnic, Skurchorim. Along with this, I propose to take up the construction of the following buildings in this fiscal year. New building for the Goa College of Architecture, the new building for the Goa College of Pharmacy, and extension block for the Goa College of Art. Speaker sir, providing the opportunity to the Goan youth to pursue the post-graduation in the state, my government has started 2 Master of Architecture and 2 Master of Fine Arts program this year at the Goa College of Architecture and Goa College of Art, respectively. Speaker sir, I proposed to set up the research cell for the urban design and sustainable architecture in order to record and maintain our heritage, culture, and future generation. Speaker sir, I propose to revisit the fee structure of the technical institution to promote the technical education among the Goan youth. Speaker sir, in order to increase the employability of our Goan youth in shipbuilding industry, I proposed to introduce the skill-based course like CNC, machines operations, 4G, 5G, 6G welding, fabric glasses works, etc., and which are required by the industries. Sports and Youth Affairs. Speaker sir, I proposed to formulate a policy wherein the sports facilities would be monetized on the PPP model at no cost basis. Speaker sir, I am proud to say that the Kampal Sports Complex has been approved as the Khelo India State Center for Excellence, where the budding medal prospects for the Olympic will be selected in the age group of 10 to 18 years in the games of table tennis, badminton, and swimming. Speaker sir, out of the 11 sports complexes, stadium constructed for the purpose of national games. 5 complexes at Navelim, Fatorda, Savalwada, Pedne, the Kampal and Fonda have already been completed and remaining 6 will be completed soon. Speaker sir, I proposed to undertake the following works pertaining to the sports infrastructures totaling of rupees 24.9 crores. Renovation of Dr. T.B. Kunna Complex at Kasaulim, renovation of Chikalim Sports Ground, the development of Shirlim Football Playground, development of the cricket ground and track at Sristhal Kankona, and the development of the playground at Sakli. Development of the playground at Korgaon, development of the playground at Saint Suzeti Ariel, and upgradation of the village playground at Maim. Speaker sir, for the successful conduct of the national games in the state, I have kept the provision of rupees 150 crores, and for the implementation of the Goan youth policy, I have earmarked of rupees 5 crores for this year. Revenue and land administration. Speaker sir, हे खूप महत्वाचे खाते आणि कितलीशीच वर्सां आमी पळयता की ह्या खात्याकडे खूबशे लोक आशेन पळयता आणि खास करून आमी पळयता SC, ST किंवा मूळ गांवांत रावपी लोक, खेड्यांत रावपी लोक, फॉरेस्ट एरियेन रावपी लोक असे मूळ निवासी भूमिपुत्र लोक आसा जेंच्या कडेन आमी पळयता की अन्न, वस्त्र, निवारो ह्यो खरें म्हणजे गरजेच्यो गजाली आसा आणि ताकाच लागून म्हणजे हाच्या कडेन पळयता आसतना एक विशेष नजरेंतल्यान हांव ह्या डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन पळयता आनी निश्चितच ताच्या खातीर वेगळ्यो येवजण्यो आंखपाच्यो आमच्या तकलेन आसा. सभापती महाशय, एका वाटेन आमी गोंय मुक्तीची 60 वर्सां मनयता आनी दुसऱ्या वाटेन आमच्या गोंयचो नीज गोंयकार हो कोमुनिदाद जागेन आसतलो आल्वारा आफ्रेमात सरकारी जमनीन हातूंत पिढ्यान पिढ्यो राबितो करून सुद्दां आपले घर आनी जमनीच्या तुकड्याक स्वताच्या नांवार करून घेवपाक ताचे कचेऱ्यांचे हुमरे झरयता. स्पीकर सर, तुमकांय खबर आसतली गेली कितलीशींच वर्सां म्हणजे पेडण्या पासून काणकोण पर्यंत आनी वाळपय पासून दाबोळी पर्यंत हे वेगवेगळे विशय जे आसा हे अजुनूय कितलीशींच वर्सां सुटावे जावचे न्ही, सुटावे जावंक ना सॉरी, आनी ते सुटावे जावचे ह्या नजरेंतल्यान स्पीकर सर सरकार पावल उचलता आनी आमच्या ह्या भावा भयणींक ह्या समस्ये कडेन सरकार सहानुभुतींतल्यान पळयता आनी ताकाच लागून गोंय भूमिपुत्र अधिकारिता योजना चालीक लावपाचें थारायलां. गोंय भूमिपुत्र अधिकारिता योजना ही आमी चालीक लावपाचें थारायलां. ह्या योजने खाला अतिक्रमण, अवैध बेकायदेशीर थारायल्ल्या घराक नियमीत करपाचे आवश्यक सोपस्कार पुराय जातले. उत्तर गोंय आणि दक्षिण गोंय ह्या जिल्हाधिकाऱ्यांच्या हांच्या अख्यायित रित्या 2 वेगवेगळ्यो समिती तयार करून हो विशय सुटावो करपाची आमची मोख आसा. Speaker sir, the State Disaster Management Authority will roll out the Apada Mitra scheme for the central government during this year, which is under which the 400 community volunteers will be trained for the disaster response to provide the immediate relief to the affected people. Speaker sir, the survey plans to the entire state of the Goa have been made available online, wherein the general public is able to apply online, download and print the digital signed survey plan by making the online payment. The Panchayat and Rural Development. Speaker sir, it has been our concerned endeavor to reduce the hassle faced by the common man in obtaining the statutory permissions, license. Hence, we propose to set up the regulated mechanism to streamline the process of obtaining the construction and trade license at Panchayat level. Speaker sir, there have been houses within the Panchayat areas which have been constructed since year and still do not have the house number for the various reason. In order to provide the recognition to such dwelling units. I propose to provide the house number to all such dwellings by making the necessary changes in a legal provision. Speaker, sir, the construction of the toilet for the households is going on the full swing, and I plan to complete the same by October 2021. Speaker, sir, under the material recovery facility, the 80 sheds have been constructed and the village panchayat for the waste management. In order to ensure that the village has these recovery facilities, I have provision of rupees 15 crores for the same in this year. Speaker, sir, in order to strengthen the financially weaker and rural local bodies, the provision of rupees 10 crores has been made to support them. Speaker, sir, I proposed to construct 2 Jilla Panchayat Bhavan, one in each district, through an allocation of rupees 17.50 crores. Further, to strengthening the Jilla Panchayat, I have increased their grants to rupees 20 crores. Rural development. Speaker, sir, in order to sell the self-help group produced, my government has convergence with the NABARD and will set up the shop for promoting the self-employment. Towards this, I proposed to construct the Goa Bazaar project at Mershe at an estimated total cost of rupees 53 crores for allowing selling the opportunities for our self-help groups. Speaker, sir, my government will provide all the BPL families with the LPG connection in order to minimize the use of firewood under the Goa Gramin Urja Yojana. Urban development. The decision to streamline the license procedure in Panchayat shall also be extended to the urban area as well as. Speaker, sir, as proposed for Panchayat areas regarding the providing house number, I propose to extend the same dwelling in urban areas by making necessary legal provision. Speaker, sir, my government will facilitate the mechanism between the public and nationalized bank so that to provide the benefits of the credit-linked subsidy scheme of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban. Speaker, sir, I am pleased to announce that the demonstration of the housing project of rupees 5.54 crores has been approved by the central government, which will be accommodated 51 old homeless beneficiaries at Chimbal. Speaker, sir, under Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana, 1,572 individuals are undergoing the training for pursuing the skill development courses, and under the PM Swanidhi scheme, interest-free loan to the rupees 10,000 each has been distributed to the 676 beneficiaries. Speaker, sir, for undertaking the various capital works in urban areas under the integrated development of the major town scheme have been provided with the capital outlay of rupees 65 crores for the implementation of this scheme. Speaker, sir, for implementation of the smart city project with the central assistant, I have made the provision of rupees 140 crores. Town and country planning. Speaker, sir, I proposed to extend the online building plan approval management system for other types of buildings like multi-family dwellings, commercial buildings and industrial buildings in phase. Speaker, sir, I proposed to strengthen all PDAs by carrying out the major reforms in their functioning. Speaker, sir, I proposed to empanel notary architects and notary engineers for the third-party certification of low-risk project. This certification by the professionals will be considered valid by TCP for issuing the technical clearance and completion orders. Speaker Sir, in order to provide the relief to the construction sector, my government intend to reduce the rate of infrastructure tax by 30% for a period of 6 months with effect from the 1st April 2021. Speaker Sir, I proposed to introduce the rules and strategies to implement the transferable development rights provision for acquiring the much needed land fee, public project and to convergence heritage structure. The issue of incidence double taxation in stamp duty and registration fees shall be streamlined to avoid the financial hardships in the housing construction sector. Speaker Sir, I proposed to explore the amendments in the building regulation to consider the regularization of the unauthorized constructions which are having the minor inadequacies regarding the regulations due to the site conditions, difference in the boundaries and other similar reasons. Cooperation, Civil Supply and Consumer Affairs. Speaker Sir, I propose to create the time-bound mechanism to complete the process of title conveyance from the builder to the concerned housing cooperative societies. This will safeguard the hard-earned money of the people and who have bought the apartment but awaiting to conveyance of the title. Speaker Sir, I propose to provide the certain assistance for the ailing cooperatives and after through the audit and the project of the depositors' interest as to not to lose their hard-earned money. Speaker Sir, in order to ensure that the supply of all the basic items continues to be the uninterrupted to the public of the state, I have increased the provision of their procurement by 1.5 times to 50 crores. Forest, Environment, Science and Technology. Forest. Speaker Sir, in line with Catch the Rain, the initiatives emphasized by Honorable Prime Minister, high priority have been given for the soil and water conservation, under which over 300 water harvesting structures have been created in the forest and wildlife sanctuaries. Speaker Sir, 40 Vaidyamitras have been recognized and registered with the Forest Department for the conservation and sustainable use of medicinal plants. I proposed to register more such mitras for promoting Ayurveda. Speaker Sir, in order to facilitate commercial tree plantation under Swayambhupurna Goa initiatives, my government has exempted the new commercial tree plantation areas and all trees raised on the private non-forest land for the provision of Goa Preservation of Trees Act 1984, and which will encourage the farmers and other landowners to take up the commercial tree plantation for the commercial benefits. Speaker Sir, the Nature Interruption Center and ecotourism complexes are being strengthened in forest for the public awareness, the nature and environmental education, and the promotion of ecotourism. To provide the employment opportunities to the local youth living in around the protected areas, and others are being trained as a nature's guide and to guide the visitors. Under these initiatives, 118 nature's guides have been provided a training, and I envisage and increase the number of 250 by March 2022. Speaker Sir, I propose to resolve the private forest issue at the earliest and fast track the pending Forest Right Act cases for the speedy disposal. Science, Technology and Waste Management. Speaker Sir, in order to assist the institution for undertaking the research and conducting the various workshops in the field of science, technology and innovation, I have kept the provision of rupees 1 crore for this year. Speaker Sir, I propose to extend the scope of the work undertaken by the Goa State Innovation Council, for which I have increased their allocation of rupees 50 lakhs. Speaker Sir, I proposed to appoint Goa Waste Management Corporation as the nodal agency for scrapping of all the government materials. Environment. Speaker Sir, the central government has granted the approval for the implementation of Integrated Coastal Zone Management, which is a World Bank project at the estimated of rupees 200 crores for the next 5 years, under which the following activity will be taken up. Assignment and the documentation of the potential fishery zone in Goa. Establishment and designation of the coastal sand dune parks in Goa. The conservation of the marine biodiversity for the critical marine habitat and the erosion assignment studies to ascertain of the feasibility and annual replenishment of sand. Speaker Sir, my government has identified the 15,000 square meter of the land at Saligaon for setting up of the seed bank for the preservation of the germplasm, and which is an endemic for the endangered. My government has also proposed and undertaken the project Go1 for conservation of the biodiversity through the livelihood intervention. Speaker Sir, my government will set up the network for the online water quality, air quality, noise monitoring. This data will be made available to the citizen online. Home, police, fire, emergency services. Speaker Sir, as a part of disaster response preparedness for the Swayambhupurna Goa, my government has approved the drawing of the village disaster management plan for the implementation in Panchayat. I also proposed to engage the fire guard on the similar lines of home guard deployment for the fighting in the natural calamities. Speaker Sir, bridging the infrastructure gap, the dilapidated fire station building at Vasco has demolished and new building is being taken up at an estimated of rupees 14 crores. Speaker Sir, I proposed to construct the new building for the police headquarters at Panji, Goa, along with the police station at Zuari and Kolwari, for which the outlay of rupees 19.68 crores has been provided. Speaker Sir, I proposed to launch the Global Goan program to connect with the eminent Goans settled outside the Goa and bring them under the one umbrella. Speaker Sir, I also proposed to facilitate all our brave, Speaker Sir, I also proposed to felicitation our brave freedom fighters in the 60th year of celebration. Speaker Sir, I propose to revive the pension scheme for the sea farmers with a certain necessary modification. The information and publicity, art, culture, archives and archaeology. Information and publicity. सभापती महाशय, आम्ही गोंय मुक्तीची 60 वर्सां मनयता. पुराय गोंयभर तशेंच देशाच्या विंगड प्रदेशा भितर ह्या निमित्तान तरेकवारी कार्यावळी माझ्या सरकारान करपाचो निर्णय घेतला. ह्या नजरेन माहिती आणि प्रसिद्धी खात्यातल्या कार्यावळी खातीर नोडल डिपार्टमेंट हो दर्जो दिला. गोंय मुक्तीच्या 60व्या वर्साचे औचित्य साधून माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदीजी आणि अर्थमंत्री श्रीमती निर्मला सीतारामन आणि 21-22 या केंद्रीय अर्थसंकल्पात गोंय राज्या खातीर 300 कोटी रुपयाची तरतूद केल्या. ह्यांच्या निर्णया खातीर पुराय गोंय जनतेच्या वतीन हांव तांकां कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करता. ह्या आर्थीक सहाय्याचो लाव जनते मेरेन पावचो काम माहिती आनी प्रसिद्धी खात्या मार्फत जातलें. ऐतिहासीक म्हत्वाच्या स्थळांचें संवर्धन, सांस्कृतीक कार्यावळी तशेंच स्थानीक स्वराज्य संस्थांक विशेष कामां खातीर ह्या निधीचो वापर जातलो. Speaker sir, I plan to revisit the existing scheme to simplify the procedure of the journalist fraternity. My government is also committed to ensure well-being of rural journalists and who are largely unorganized. I propose to provide this journalist space at the taluka level offices in vacant government premises. Speaker sir, I proposed to enhance the journalist pension by ₹1,000 and for the welfare of the journalist. I proposed to increase the contribution to the Journalist Welfare Fund. I will also revise the scheme of purchasing laptop or camera for organized and unorganized journalists by making an allocation of ₹50 lakhs for this purpose. Speaker sir, I proposed the Speaker sir, Speaker sir, I propose to facilitate the film shooting through the Entertainment Society of Goa, which will act as a single window for the various clearance. Art and cultures, archives, archaeology and official language. सभापती महाशय, मांडवीच्या देगेर डौलान उबी आशिल्ली गोवा कला अकादमी म्हळ्यार गोंय राज्याचो एक मानबिंदू. ह्या आमच्या दायजाचें संवर्धन करपाच्या नदरेन हांवें 50 कोटीची तरतूद केल्या. काणकोण, म्हापसा आनी पेडणे हांगा सुसज्ज अशें रवींद्र भवन जनतेक उपलब्ध करपाचो आमचो निर्धार आसा. गोंय मुक्तीच्या 60 वर्सां निमित्त जावपी सांस्कृतीक कार्यावळीक आवश्यक थंय कला आनी सांस्कृतीक खात्या मार्फत करपाचो आमचो निर्धार आसा. सभापती महाशय, गोंय मुक्तीच्या 60व्या वर्सा निमित्तान कोंकणी आनी मराठी भाशाच्या उदरगती खातीर खासा प्रकल्प चालीक लावपाचो आमचो यत्न आसतलो. गोवा कोंकणी अकादमी, गोवा मराठी अकादमी, रवींद्र भवन, इन्स्टिट्यूट मिनिजीस ब्रागांजा, दालगांदा अकादमी, तियात्र अकादमी, कोंकणी भाशा मंडळ अशा साबार संस्थांक म्हाजें सरकार अनुदान दितलें. कोंकणी भाशा घराघरांनी पावपा खातीर नव्यो संकल्पना आनी तंत्रज्ञान हाचो उपयोग करचो पडटलो. ल्हान भुरग्यां मदीं कोंकणीची आवड तयार करपा खातीर कार्टून एनिमेशन ह्या क्षेत्रांत लिखाण, डिझायन आनी डेव्हलपमेंट करपाक म्हाजें सरकार प्रोत्साहन दितलें. ह्याच कारणान हांवें ₹10.65 कोटी निधीची तरतूद केल्या. Speaker sir, I propose to set up Swami Vivekananda Kendra in the state in order to inculcate the nationalistic values and develop the physically and mentally fit youth for the state, for which the amount of ₹1 crore has earmarked for this year. Speaker sir, to bring the state-of-the-art technology for the easy access and preservation of the archival heritage of Goa, I proposed to implement integrated archival access and preservation project which includes the software-driven storage, document management and services for the citizens, scholars, for which the provision of ₹50 crores for this year. Speaker sir, for the preservation of the Goan heritage, I proposed to undertake the restoration of Fort of Khorzuem, Fort of Alarna, Phase 2, the Fort of Kabdiram, Fort of Kolwari, the Fort of Shapora, the Chapel of Monty Old Goa, the Jain Basti Phase 2, Bandoda, the Center of Archaeology at site of Sri Malsa Devi Temple at Verna, access road to the Chapel of Saint Jerome, and which is the provision of 20 crores has been made in this year. PPP division. Speaker sir, I propose to make the PPP division in a full-fledged department in order to accelerate the infrastructure development in the state on a public-private partnership model. Speaker sir, my government is in the process of signing the MOU with the global and reputed PPP consultant for scoping of the project and transaction advisory services. My government has initiated steps to setting up of the convention center at Dona Paula on PPP. Further, various other projects in a pipeline and hand-holding by the PPP divisions are setting up of the world-class maritime school, fin fish and prawn hatchery projects, the solar power projects, the bus stands, hospitals, MSME clusters, etc. Speaker sir, the construction of the new district and subordinate court complex at a cost of rupees 125.84 crores at Merse is in progress. The physical progress achieved is 42%. The date of completion of the said project was 31 March 21. However, due to COVID pandemic, the project will be completed by 30/12/22. Speaker sir, the construction of the new civil and criminal court building at the cost of rupees 29.70 crores at Margao is in progress. The work of pile foundation up to the plinth level has completed and the work of the second phase shall commence shortly. My government has taken the initiative setting up of the fast-track special court for the expeditious disposal of the Rape and POSCO Act cases, which will be the commenced shortly. Infrastructure for the same is almost ready, and once the presiding officer of the court is appointed, the said court will be made functional immediately. My government has also notified the Gram Nyayalayas at Valpoi and Sange, and which will be provide the access to the justice to the people from the rural areas at their doorsteps, and shall ensure the opportunities for securing the justice are not denied to any citizen by reason of the social, economics or the other disabilities. The Gram Nyayalayas at Valpoi shall be start functioning in the next 3 months, as all the necessary infrastructures is being made available on the top priority. I am pleased to announce that the High Court building will be inaugurated on the 27th March 2022. CSR Authority. Speaker sir, my government has formed the Goa CSR Authority as a society to facilitate the CSR activity of the companies with the following aims and objectives. Creation of the CSR fund with the contribution of the various companies. The channelizing the CSR contribution from the various government PSUs as well as the private sector's companies. Channelizing the CSR fund in line with the sectorial priorities of the government. I appeal to all the companies to contribute to his fund for the development of the state. Excise. Speaker sir, my government is intent to make the functioning of the excise department more industry friendly and optimize the revenue generation for the state. Various initiatives intend in this direction as unders. Enhancing the contribution to the Toddy Tapper Welfare Fund. New Feni policy will be notified soon to provide the long-term vision and due to the recognition of the Goan heritage drink Feni. Efforts will be made to promote this as a heritage spirit. Zoning certificates are no longer required for the excise license. Excise duty levels on Bio, FM and FL brands threshold overlay of the additional excise duty to be increased above 43% to bring it at par with the international standards. Additional excise duty rates is also to be rationalized. Now the excise license holders can get their license renewed for the period of up to 5 years. there is a provision for the rebate of the 10% of the renewal fees valid up to 31st March to collect the advance duty. The grant of occasional license for the private shacks and tourism beaches shacks for an increased period. The relaxation of requirement of the residential certificate in case of transfer of retail wholesale of the liquor to family members. Permission for the additional timing for the sale of liquor be granted at the excise department level only. Further, casino licensed by the Home Department and all the Class A category hotels recognized by the Tourism Department may serve the liquor on the permission with the 24/7 within the additional license fees. Inspection and validation of the small changes, renovation in liquor manufacturing units has been simplified, and provision for the deemed approval of any application and no inspection carried out by the department within the 3 weeks of application. To facilitate the smaller liquor manufacturer, the provision to issue the wholesale license of raw material like ENA, the absolute alcohol, ratified spirit, etc. The smaller units now need not to import the smaller quantities from the outside the state. For supporting the traditional taverns and country liquor sale premises, all existing licenses may get the additional license on the same premises without formalities. Speaker sir, हांव सोपयता आसतना स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय हो संकल्प स्पीकर सर तुमच्या समोर मांडटा आसतना हांव मुद्दामून सांगता की स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय कित्याक. स्पीकर सर, फाटली 9 वर्सां हांव आमदार म्हणून आसा आनी गेली 20 वर्सां सामाजीक क्षेत्रांत काम करता आसतना पळयलां की गोंयांतलो सामान्य मनीस, मागीर तो SC ST आसतलो, फॉरेस्ट एरियेन रावपी आसतलो, गांव वाठारांत रावपी आसतलो, हाजी जी तळमळ आसा स्पीकर सर ती हांवें लागच्यान पळयलां. म्हणून तर म्हणजे हांवें वेगवेगळ्यो येवजण्यो त्याच्या खातीर ज्यो राबयल्या त्यो त्याच खातीर आसा. स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय ही येवजण जी स्पीकर सर जी आसा ही त्याच खातीर आसा. हें गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ द पीपल, फॉर द पीपल, बाय द पीपल ह्या योजने खातीर आसा. आनी तेकाच लागून राजसत्ते अधिष्ठानम लोकशक्ती तत्वता तयोस्तुते विग्रहे प्राप्ते लोकशक्ती विशेषसे. सभापती महाशय, राजसत्तेचे अधिष्ठान लोकशक्ती जावन आसा. राजसत्ता आणि लोकशक्ती हांच्या मदीं लोकशक्तीकूच प्राधान्य दिवप गरजेचें. ह्या लोकशक्तीच्या तत्वाक धरून हांव म्हज्या दिसपट्ट्या प्रशासनात अंत्योदय आणि स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय ह्याच विचारधाराक प्राधान्य दिता.
Under rules of the rules of procedure and conduct of the business, I move motion to extend the duration of the House, sitting of the House by 30 minutes. The motion is that the duration of the sitting of the House be extended by.
10 minutes.
Those in favor may say aye. Those against say no. The ayes have it. The motion is carried.
स्पीकर सर, म्हणून तर हांव दिसपट्ट्या प्रशासनात अंत्योदय आणि स्वयंपूर्ण ह्या विचारधारेक प्राधान्य दिता. आणि तेकाच लागून स्पीकर सर, येता त्या सप्टेंबराच्यान प्रशासन तुमच्या दारी ही कार्यावळ आमी स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय हाच्या अंतर्गत सुरू करपाची आसा. सामान्य मनीस आणि ताका भेडसोवपी चिंता आणि प्रश्न हाची जाणीव प्रशासनाक जावपाक आवश्यक आसा. एखादो BPL रेशन कार्ड धारक आसतलो, एखादो दिव्यांग व्यक्ती आसतलो, कबाड कश्ट करून स्वाभिमान जगपी एखादो जाणटी बायल, शिकून सवरून व्यवसाय करपाक धडपडपी एखादो तरणाटो, अशा गोंयकाराक आमच्या प्रशासन कशी थकाय दिवपाक शकता हाचो हावेस धरून स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय ही संकल्पना चालीक लायल्या. ह्या संकल्पनेंतल्यान मूर्त स्वरूप दिवपाची जापसालदारकी आपल्या बुजार घेवपी यंत्रणा अशीच आसतली. स्वयंपूर्ण पर्यवेक्षक प्रशासनातले वरिष्ठ अधिकारी, सिनियर स्केल अँड IAS. स्वयंपूर्ण मित्र प्रशासनातले सनदी अधिकारी, गॅझेटेड ऑफिसर्स. स्वयंपूर्ण मित्र सहाय्यक प्रशासनातले कनिष्ठ श्रेणी अधिकारी, नॉन गॅझेटेड ऑफिसर्स. गोंय स्वयंपूर्ण जावप ही एक निरंतर प्रक्रिया आसा. ही प्रक्रिया सर्वकर्श आणि सर्वसमावेशक आसतली. ह्या प्रक्रियेत कसलोच भेदभाव करिनासतना जण एकल्या गोंयकाराक गोंय स्वयंपूर्ण करपी वो जगन्नाथाचो रथ ओडपाची संद मेळटली. स्वयंपूर्ण गोंयची मोख साध्य करता आसतना आमचे सरकार समाजाच्या प्रत्येक घटकाचो विकास यात्रेत आस्पाव करतलें. आमची मोख आसतली की आमची शेतां, आमची खाजनां, आमच्यो मानसो, आमचो बांद, आमच्यो न्हंयो, आमचे वजारे, आमच्यो तळयो हांचे संवर्धन प्रकल्प कार्यान्वित करप. आमच्यो पारंपारीक कश्टकारी खाजेकार, चणेकार, भट्टेकार, पोदेर, पाडेली, तावेणकार, बांबू विणपी, मुर्तीकार, फुलाकार हांकां स्वाभिमानपूर्वक आर्थीक मजत करप. केंद्र सरकारच्या आणि राज्य सरकारच्या योजनांच्या ग्राम स्तराचेर लाव पावोवपा खातीर आमच्या महिला मंडळ, स्वसहाय्य गट हांकां स्वयंरोजगाराची प्रसार केंद्रां करपाक, आमचे सांस्कृतीक, शैक्षणीक तशेंच एकचाराचे दायज सगळ्या मेरेन पावोवपाक स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय यशस्वी करपा खातीर म्हज्या सरकाराची दशसुत्री सकयल आहा तशी आसतली. शेल्टर, हावजींग फॉर ऑल, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कनेक्शन टू ऑल हावजीस, टॅप वॉटर कनेक्शन फॉर ऑल हावजीस, sanitation, toilet for all houses, the Krushi card, PM Kisan, Kisan credit card and soil health card for all eligible, aid for Divyangs, health security, Deen Dayal Swasth Seva Yojana to all eligibles, social security, Graha Aadhar for women and Dayanand Samajik Suraksha to all eligibles, financial security and insurance for all, bank accounts, the PM Jyoti Bima Yojana and PM Suraksha Bima Yojana to all eligibles. Aids to the senior citizen through the senior citizen card. सभापती महाशय, ह्या देवभूमी गोंय राज्याचो मुखेलमंत्री ह्या नात्यान कार्य करपाचो म्हाका भाग्य मेळ्ळा. गोंयच्या जनतेन दिल्ली जबाबदारी पार पाडटा आसतना म्हज्या मनात एक दिससम्मी कृतज्ञतेची भावना आसा. गोंय राज्याच्या जनतेचो आणि भारत मातेचो सेवक ह्या नात्यान देश हमें देता है सब कुछ, हम भी तो कुछ देना सीखे ही भावना मतीत दवरून जनतेचो अर्थसंकल्प सादर करता माझ्या भाषणाचो समारोप करता आसतना जय हिंद, जय गोवा.
As there is no business before the House is adjourned till 25th March 2021 at 11:30 a.m.